Hello everyone, today let's talk about the shift oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. This oil seal, this size its internal diameter is 125 and the external diameter is 160. The sinker is 40 and 18, and it has OEM number. This OEM number is 1508031. You can through the OEM number to find this oil seal, and it has OEM number. Look, this is a spring. It has a spring. This oil seal has many following features. The first one is vulcanizes at a low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, moth-proof water, ticking spring and ticking skeleton. And we also can provide customers the service. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.